Postmates is the latest company to suffer after the disappointing initial public offerings from some of its fellow tech unicorns, including Uber, Lyft and Slack, who have all struggled since joining the public markets earlier this year, despite their extremely high private market valuations. The San Francisco-based on-demand delivery business filed its IPO paperwork in February, but has since then appeared to get cold feet. They were expected to file their IPO prospectus in September. However, September has now come and gone, and the company are yet to file the critical S-1 document, now deciding to postpone their IPO. Postmates founder and CEO Bastian Lehmann has stated, "The reality is that we will IPO when we believe we find the right time for the business and the right time for the markets. And if you look at the markets right now, I believe they are a little choppy. They are a little choppy when it comes to growth companies specifically. We are hopeful that we will find a good window to get out there." Postmates was founded in 2011 and operates an on-demand delivery platform, relying on a network of local gig economy workers in more than 3,500 cities across all 50 states. Aside from Mexico City, the company does not operate in any international markets, although Bastian Lehmann has indicated that they could be planning a move to break into Europe, where Deliveroo and Just Eat are currently dominating the market. The company have raised in the region of $900 million, including a $225 million round from GPI Capital announced in September that valued the company at $2.4 billion. In comparison, its main competitor, DoorDash, has reached a valuation of $12.6 billion and has raised more than double the amount of capital that Postmates has. When questioned on why DoorDash, a similar competing business, would need that much more funding, Lehmann joked that maybe DoorDash CEO Tony Zhu needs a jet, I don't know. Which, of course, brings to mind the woes of WeWork, whose CEO was pushed to resign and sell his company private jet a few weeks ago after lead investor SoftBank's cracked down on corporate governance at the company. Just one of the issues that have led them to also postpone their IPO. There has been a total of 32 tech IPOs this year, many of which have notably underperformed. Uber and Lyft had their valuations cut in half, with Peloton and Slack's performance also less than impressive than expected. A warning sign was potentially a lack of profitability, which appears to be leading now to a shift in investor focus towards profits. Public market investors are less impressed by sky-high valuations. They want to see gross margins and other measures of profitability, as well as more detailed financial models. Postmates are clear that this is simply a delay, with the plan still to IPO at some point. CEO Lehmann has tweeted that business is booming. That's all I will say. Plus, however the press spins it, we didn't delay anything. We're simply waiting for the best time to get out.